Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2021 Honda Civic Sport. This vehicle has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 180 horsepower and a continuously variable transmission. You have the gauge, you have like a center screen for the gauge cluster, and then you also have like the analog gauges for the fuel and the engine temperature. Reverse camera. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wired. I'm not sure about the Android Auto, but I know it has Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters. And this vehicle also came with a manual transmission. It has an option. Interesting trim. You have quad seats with partial leatherette. Pretty big center console storage, actually. You also have an econ mode as well. But let's walk around this Civic. It's a black exterior, cool wheels on the Civic Sport. It's a good looking little sedan. And here are the rear seats. Sport badge on the back. And here is the trunk. And also it's cool how the foot pedals are metal, which gives it a sporty look over like regular gray foot pedals. Let's get it out on the road and see how it drives. This is like a car, you know, you just want to get that will take you from point A to point B, be reliable, and also looks decent as well. And it definitely does a good job in doing that. Pretty smooth ride. Let's take a quick U-turn here. This is foot to the floor for the acceleration. It's not bad. For 180 horsepower, it's not bad at all. It does the job. And actually, the seats are pretty comfortable. I can't even lie, like the seats feel good. Even though they're like cloth and there's no lumbar adjustment, like it holds you in place well, and it feels like a bucket. It feels good. And I like the steering wheel too. I like the grip on the steering wheel. It's pretty cool. But overall, this is a nice Civic Sport. Drives well, it's comfortable, and also gets great fuel economy too. I forgot to mention that. I mean, this shows average fuel is 30 miles per gallon. That's probably what you're going to be getting in this car. But thank you for watching another video of Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice and reliable vehicles like the Civic Sport.